Hello traders, today is the 3rd of April 2011 and a happy Sunday to you all. This video is about a question regarding the Fibonacci drawing, how you draw the Fibonacci projections. Okay, a trader has asked this question and we will answer this question here, and I hope you will find also this video useful and how you can draw the Fibonacci retracement and a Fibonacci projection. Okay, so this is a question asked by a TSTW24 trader. Okay, if you are new to us, for those of you who are new to us, we are the TSTWS008 traders. Our website is www.stochastic-macd.com. okay, we are looking at the QQQQQ. Okay, a daily chart, the ETF of Nasdaq. Okay, this is the daily chart because the gentleman who asked this question, his name is Richard. Richard like to trade the QQQQQ, and Richard is an excellent. a serious trader. We have a lot of serious traders now, which make us a bit happy. And Richard is very enthusiastic about Fibonacci and also enthusiastic about Elliott wave. That's what we have noticed for Richard. Okay, we have another, other TSTW24 trader, another one. His name is Robert. Robert also excellent trader. And today we're going to talk about CCI 50. Okay, I will post another video regarding CCI 50 that Robert also has put to me some times ago. And I make a promise to Robert that I will look at the CCI 50 and how you can trade it, and I have built a free trading system. Can you believe that? A free trading system. But I will do another video about what I call the TSCC50. Okay, but in this video we'll answer the question of Richard, okay, regarding the Fibonacci projection. I will start with the Fibonacci retracement first. Okay, so what we are looking at, the price went down. Okay, you see here it went down in this session here. I will use this portion here. The price went down from here down to this level here. Okay, and indeed the rally up. Okay, but it's a rally in a downtrend because the price fell. Why we know that it's rally in a downtrend? Because the price fell to display a new higher high. That's how we know. But when the price start going up like this, you see here, some people sold it because these are Fibonacci traders. They are just selling. Okay, they sold it here. So you do not know where the price will stop. So how do you know where the price will stop? You just wait till it stops. That's how you know. Okay, but if you were here that time, okay, and the price dropped very fast like this, you need to be careful. That's why I say to traders, anytime you see the price drop very fast or the price goes up very fast with a high volatility, be very, very cautious, because you may be the last person in the party. You see here, if you were chasing it, you see, the best thing to do is to wait for the price to rally in a downtrend, okay, before you sell it down. Okay, here what is happening is what I was talking about all the time, the sound in the market. The price went down, rally 3 days. Okay, it went down and rally 3 days. Traders like that, rally 3 days and they sold it down. Okay, that's what they're doing. Here it rallied 2 days, they sold it down. Okay, they do it all the time. Okay, but we do not trade that way. We use the TSTWS08 trading system to enter the trade accurately. Here, a TSTWS08 trader will cream that particular day nicely down. Here it will buy. Okay, that's why the gorgeousness. If you are TSTWS08 trader and you do not master your tool, please contact us and we will guide you. Okay, so this is it. So the price went down fast and then rally. Okay, we will discount this movement to the downside and we'll count it from here all the way here. Okay, pay attention. I'll discount this movement because it's a volatile. I don't know whether this was a drop fast. We will continue, because we go into the mind of what's happening here. We'll discount this one and maybe bring it here. So the price went down and then rally up to here and failed to display a new high. This is bearish. Okay, and start turning here. Okay, this is a nice one. Okay, it's a bearish okay, a pattern here. Okay, candle, you see this one went up, this one closed down. Okay, it's a bearish candlestick here. So as a TSTWS08 trader, okay, You do not have to guess the price or try to forecast it. You look at your tool, and if the tool say yes, they are selling, you sell. That's why I say to you. Okay, so you will draw your Fibonacci. You want to know how far the price will go down, because you want to do the projection, you want to do the estimation. You are not trying to forecast the price. The price does not have to go all the way there to the target price. It does not have to. Okay, so do not take it as a sign, because Richard, I know that you are very, very analytical person. Okay, so be aware of that. The price does not have to go all the way to the target, but it gives you only, it's like you are driving and you give yourself a destination. Okay, so it gives you something to look up to. Okay, so it's just to look up to, because if you try to focus the price, or if you set your mind on one particular target that it must go there, it must go there, you're going to fail to notice what the price itself is showing you. That's why I'm not in the business to forecast the market. But if I draw my Fibonacci projection, I'm looking at them like I will look at the resistance levels. Okay, usually the Fibonacci levels will coincide with a normal resistance or support level. But in this video I show you, so the price dropped down and rally up to this level, and you see people selling here. Okay, and your TSTWSY08 also tell you that, okay, you should sell. Okay, so you sell here. Okay, you sell here, and you're in this trend, and there is no chance to tell you that the price is going back up. Okay, and you are in this trend now. Okay, the price is going down. If the price is going down, what we do, we pay attention to the support level. You see here, that's why some people take profit fast here. Price return up only to be sold down. Okay, here again in this zone, people are paying attention to the support level here. You see, people took profit again, price rally up. So price going down, pay attention to the support level. That's how you will trade. But we want to draw how you draw the Fibonacci tool. You will use the 3-point. That's why Richard was asking the 3-point, because Richard is also using the Sierra chart like myself. Okay, the 3-point. Okay, a Fibonacci projection tool. So I click on it. Okay, where the movement has started from. This is true for this charting that we are using. Some charting will do it in different way. But this charting, the Sierra chart, okay, we will start from where the movement has started. So I don't know, Richard, if you call this A. Okay, so this is where the movement has started from. So it went down up to this level here. Okay, so where the price has started from, so where the first leg has started, and then we'll move it. Okay, now, okay, now I did something that is completely wrong here. I will clear my mess here very fast, erase all line. I will start again, because there was a previous drawing on this things here. So bear with me please as I go back again and do this properly. Okay, now so the price went down, okay, from this level here down to this level here. Okay, and then went up again to this level here. That's it. That's where you release it. So you draw the first line all the way down here, and then you bring it up to where the movement has stopped, and then you release it here. That's it. You let it go. Okay, so you draw it down to this level here, and then you bring it up to this level here, and you will release it, and you have now your Fibonacci projection, which are here for you: the 1 to 7% Fibonacci projection zone, the 138%, if you follow my cursor here, and the 150 Fibonacci. The 150 seems to be very excellent levels. The price will usually pay attention to. Okay, and also the 161%. We have more levels that are down here, which we cannot see because of the time frame that I'm using here. I will go to the weekly chart to see whether we will see now all the drawing you see here. So if you can't see on one time frame, you go to the higher time frame. Sometimes you can see, sometimes you may not. Okay, so the yellow one here, which I put for myself, I color it. So Richard, because you are using the same thing, you can perfectly color your Fibonacci levels with different color. If it's up to you. Okay, you go to the here you go to the tool setting. Okay, so you go to global setting first, and you go to tool setting. Okay, and then you click on it, and then you will see how you can put different color for your Fibonacci tool. If we click on this now, you see this is all my Fibonacci levels here: 23%, 38%, 50%, 61, 66%, 1 to 7, 261, 4 to 3, 138, 161, 150. So I put all of them here, and if I click on one here, this is one of them here. I color one green here, there's another one. So you can change the color here by clicking on the color here, and then the color will show. But in fact, I don't like to do video about software because I mean, traders don't like this. They don't like to talk too much about software. Traders don't like that. Okay, so but I'm doing this. I mean, to answer one particular question only. Okay, so it's also important because it's about Fibonacci, and this gentleman is busy learning about the Fibonacci. We know that, and the Elliott wave. So we will assist him to understand it. So because we cannot see on the daily chart, I'll go back again to the daily chart. Here we see only few of the level of our projection. Okay, if you want to see more, you can go to the higher time frame, which I did now, going to the daily weekly chart. Now we can see the 261.8 levels here, and you can have also 423% Fibonacci projection levels here. So you can perfectly draw a horizontal line here, okay, on your key levels. Like here, I can draw here for myself and leave in my chart book, okay, as it is, okay, without changing this screen ever. And so I can go back to it anytime that I want to go back to it. So when I'm if you are day trading or swing trading, you can know which level the price approaching. Now another thing I want to point out here for Richard, I mean, which asked this question, is you see the 261.8%, okay, here is exactly at these important point levels here, you see. So even drawing on your you see this on the weekly chart, you draw your key levels, you will see that you will get all those important Fibonacci projection level, okay. Sometimes they can be a hidden level that are not exactly like a normal support or resistance level, but here you see it's exactly a key levels on the weekly chart, okay. So if I draw for myself this level here, I'll leave it blue like this, and this is the 423. I can leave it on my chart, okay. So I can leave this on my chart book, okay, and I'll leave the 423. I'll color it in a different color, okay. In this case, I'll color it red, okay. So this is the last one here. You see, I change it. You can change this on your own. You don't have to. If you go to the tool setting, you can, like I showed you, give them a different all the setting. You can change them as you want, different color. Okay, that's the gorgeousness of the Sierra chart. But I don't like too much to talk about the software because traders tend to say I have to do exactly like this person, okay, but you don't have to, okay. If you are happy with what you are using, you can perfectly use it, okay. So I mean that's why I stay away from the software debate, okay. I don't tell people what I'm using, all these things, but this is a different matter here, okay. Now because our attention must be on the price, that's what we want to do, and also achieve consistent winning trade. And there are some software I see all the time on YouTube. People are busy. They don't talk about trading. They talk about how they set their software. If you are using a software that is so complicated, you're going to spend too much time to figure out how you do this, how you program this. I mean, are you a engineer or software engineer, or are you this is for, and I'm not talking about I'm talking about other YouTube video that I've seen traders who were busy talking about the software all the time, how they program this, how they do this. But we traders, we are busy talking about something like this. Fibonacci projection, yes, that's true. A Fibonacci extension, yes, that's for us. Okay, but these people that were talking about programming issue, I mean, that's okay. Maybe they are software engineers, so that's perfect. So now you see now, okay, that's how we draw it. So if I go back again to the daily chart, so what we did, the price went down from here. So we click on our 3-point Fibonacci projection tool. We draw it from where the movement has started down to where the movement has stopped, and then it start rallying, okay. You do not start drawing it when it start rallying, okay. You wait for it to start turning around because you don't know where it's going to stop. So you see these people here, they saw it, they were lucky here, so they were doing their drawing, okay. So and then once they see the price turning at this point in time, you will draw also your Fibonacci projection. You see the price turn around here. So the key levels, as I said to you, you see all this level here. This is the 78%. All this level. If you pay attention to all the key levels, okay, on the daily chart, the weekly chart, you will clearly locate all this target zone. But if you want to know, you can perfectly do it like this because of where the price is turning around. But if the price did turn around at 38% Fibonacci retracement level, the target usually is 127 up to, some people will say 161. But it's just estimation. The price does not have to, like we did before at we post a lot of videos regarding the Fibonacci projection, Fibonacci retracement at www.dayprotraders.com. And we know that Richard is busy watching this video, and we appreciate that. Okay, excellent stuff, because as a trader you must master the Fibonacci tool, which is a stable data in the market, and also the Elliott wave theory, also a stable data. If you want to master the Elliott wave theory, you need to go to www.24elliottwave.com. For Fibonacci, you need to go to www.dayprotraders.com. Okay, we have simplified the subject and make it simple for you. We posted the video doing exactly like YouTube. Okay, we talk to people directly on videos. That's what we do. All our websites are based on videos. Okay, we do not write in for you that will bore you. We will talk to you directly, say some funny word, okay, maybe tease you sometime. Okay, so you are fully awake listening to it. You can pause the video. Okay, you can resume the video, you can go back to it. That's the gorgeousness of the video method. All our website, video, and that's why myself, I'm a fan of YouTube, as you know, and excellent stuff, communication, and I mean, most of the things I learn them from YouTube. I can learn any subject, okay, on YouTube, in fact, okay, plus what we read. I'm not saying that we do not read, we read also, but also you can go and do a practical trading. But videos are there because this is the experience of many traders. Excellent video being posted on YouTube, excellent people, different channels, okay, and you can watch them, okay, but make sure you come back and watch us also. Okay, now this is it. So this is how you will draw your Fibonacci projection level. Now, but one point I want to make here before we stop, erase all live. So now we are back on a daily chart. So at this point in time, as the price, you receive a signal to sell. You do not just sell, you receive a signal to sell here, and you draw your Fibonacci projection tool. First, you will locate how much the price did retrace, because this is what we call Fibonacci retracement level. The first one that I did is about Fibonacci projection, is to know how far the price will go. Okay, is to know how far the price will go. And if you want, I can do it again. So we draw it from here down to this level here, and then we bring it back to where the movement has stopped. You see, the price has stopped exactly at 150 Fibonacci, okay, projection zone. It's not by mistake that people took profit here. Okay, that's what the Fibonacci people are doing. You see, the price did stop exactly at 150 Fibonacci, okay, projection zone. But if you pay attention carefully here, where the price did stop, it's a support level here. You see this support level here, this zone here. Okay, I can perfectly draw. So this is why it's so important to draw the support, the resistance, the trend line, the channel. Okay, everything that you are able to draw, okay, just draw them. The projection of the channels, okay, and you will be amazed. You will be creaming the market. I mean, this video is for educational purposes only. It's neither a solicitation or an offer to buy or sell any financial instrument. Okay, and if you are making any trading decision, you are perfectly responsible for your decision. And if you are not sure, you can perfectly ask a qualified financial advisor for some advice, and they will give you. We are in the business of assisting serious traders, okay, that are willing also to enjoy their trade. This is our purpose. Okay, so you can see that this level also is a very important level, and the price did came and touch it here. Okay, so this is it. Okay, as TSTWSY08 trader, which is Richard is TSTWSY08 trader. Richard is also TSTWSY008 trader. So it's one of the top range of our group, so to speak. Okay, and I was talking to you about Robert also communicate to Robert and Richard. I mean, these are important people to us. I mean, there are other people also to mention fews, okay, but I'm not going to talk about everybody now. I will talk about some people later on, but I mean, different people, excellent traders are coming in now, which is excellent for us, and we are quite happy about the communication that are going on. I mean, it's amazing some of the comment we received last time about one of the gentlemen that purchased the TSTWSY08, all this stuff. I mean, great stuff, man. I mean, it gives us encouragement to continue what we are doing. I mean, always, if you are doing well, people will tell you, which is nice. Okay, and please feel free to send us email and talk to us. And if we do not reply straight away, do not think that we disregard your email. We will always get back to you, depending on where we are, what we are trying to do, and all the blah 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 in a messy market. Okay, so now before that, okay, you will draw, okay, your Fibonacci, okay, retracement level to know where the price. This is the 2 point. The 2 point. This is about retracement, not projection. So the retracement, okay, we want to know, okay, where the price did retrace back to, okay? So you see the price went down from here to this level here, and it rallied up to this level. We are using a retracement to see how much profit, okay, the bear who sold it in this session, okay, took, okay, how much percentage profit they took, these people here. So if they took only 38%, it means that they believe that the price will go down more, okay? So if they took 50%, the price start going down, it means that they are up for it again and thinking that the price will go down more. But you will always, as I said, you are selling. Your first priority is to pay attention to the support level. And if you are buying, your first priority is to pay attention to a resistance level. And trader forgets that. You can perfectly receive a valid buy signal here, but if you are buying, you receive a valid, it's not that the signal is wrong, it's a valid signal to buy, but the signal is near a resistance zone. You are asking for it. That's why the British say you are asking for trouble. I mean, so you are controlling the risk carefully. Okay, you see here, boom, down. This is what the resistance did here. Okay, that's what they call, you are asking for it. Okay, you are asking for trouble. So I mean, you don't want to do that. So anytime you are buying, you look up. That's what I say to traders, look on your left hand side. Okay, we are like I mean look on your head sometimes. So if you call it like a code of driving or of not driving, of trading, okay, look on your left hand side. Okay, look on your hard shoulder, so whatever you want to call it. So this is our hard shoulder here. Okay, resistance here, attention or resistance. Okay, and you're just doing a simple way. See, you see what's happening here? Just resistance. Okay, so do not buy. If you are buying here, right here on this line, you are just near it. So you switch back to the lower time frame to monitor the trade carefully. That's what you will do. Okay, but now we are talking about Fibonacci retracement level. So the price went down from here to this level here and went up to this level here. You want to know how much profit these people took. It went up to the 78% Fibonacci retracement level. As you can see, I have three lines here. I have the 75% because I know Richard like to know. I have the 75%. I have the 76%. I have the 78% in this zone here. So I mean, because I try to go into the mind of other traders, and they do it all the time. Okay, and I have here the 88%. First time those who sold it here, okay, you see this red one here, the price did stop at 66%. Some traders will use 61, some will use 66%. That's why we talk about resistance zone. Don't see it as a line. So if you see at a line, you will stop at 61.8. But if you see it as a zone, you will place also 66%. And that's what's happening here. The price did find resistance here and went down, retraced up to the 23%. It's another support level here. So the levels, all the levels are key levels. Okay, the 38. So when you sell at 66%, pay attention to the 50% because the 50% is a support level. Some traders may challenge you there. The 38% is another key level. The 23% is another key level, and the 0% is another key level. So you see here, people took profit here, people took profit here, people took profit on the 23%. So they sold it fast to the 23. Price did not continue the movement to the downside, did find a support. People retrace it back up, cross the 66% back to the 75%. Because the smart money now knew that these people were right to sell, but they said, no, we don't want to sell here. The key you want to remember is that, Richard, the smart money always like to sell mostly at 78% region. It does not mean that they will always do that. But if the TSCWSY S08 trading system gives you a valid signal to sell at 78%, that's excellent place. Because you are likely, okay, to cream it down together with the smart money. Okay, but we will talk about it more and more in other videos. We cannot cover all this today. So this is how you draw your Fibonacci retracement. You just draw it from here down to here and release it. Okay, so what I will do again, I will remove that and show you this the 2 points. Okay, that's about retracement. So the price went down from here to this level here. Some charting software will do it the opposite way. Okay, the simple charting that I used before, we do it the opposite way. So do not be surprised. Okay, so if you are using the other charting, okay, Richard, which is the simian charting, I think they do it opposite way. So you will see clearly here, the price went down to this level here. Okay, where the movement is stopped, that's where you will see the 23% because the price start going up. So they went down first. It's just simple. the movement, the price went down first. You can draw it manually if you want to. The price went down first, start going up. So at this point, it's like a 1% retracement, 2% retracement, 3% retracement, 4% retracement. Now we reach 23%. You are just here. Here you see the price went up from here to this level here. It started going down. You want to see how much is going down. So at this point, it will be like a 1%, 2%, 3%, 23%, and so on until you reach this point, because you are trying to compare how much people take in this session from here to here. So where the movement starts to go the opposite to the trend, okay, the contra trend, that's where you start counting from, okay, the contra trend. Where the contra trend has begun from, that's where the 0% is. You see, the trend is down and the contra trend has begun here. That's where the 0 starts from. So you are the point where the rally has begun in the downtrend. That's what we call the 0%. So the price went down first. Contra trend has begun here. That's the 0%, and then we have the 23%, 38%, 50%, 61.8, 66%, 76%, and so on, 78%, and so on. You see, and then you have 100%. Okay, here you see the price was going up, and then we have the contra trend, which is downtrend. So the 0%, if you want to count your Fibonacci retracement. Now I'm talking about Fibonacci retracement level. Okay, it will be from this level 0%, blah 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 up to this level here. I can draw another one for you. You see the movement has started here. Some charting software, like I said to you, will do it the opposite way. We'll do it from here to here. But I'm using the Sierra chart here, which is I mean, my preferred charting, to be honest. So you see the retracement, you see 0% is here. It's the contra trend going down. The price did retrace up to 50%. A Fibonacci retracement zone, not line. Okay, zone. You see, it went down. It never stop on it exactly. Sometimes it will, but it's zone. Okay, because sometimes they will say, why it doesn't go to the 61.8? And the smart money say, you see, here it went up first. They bring it back down. You see how tall it is. People bring it down. You say, no, we know it's going to go up, but we want to buy here. You see, people bought it. Don't be too. I mean, eager to enter first. Okay, be patient. You see, these people bought it here. They cream it. Okay, they will enjoy themselves hopefully here if they take their profit here. Smart money say, no, we want to buy, but we don't want to buy here. We are greedy people. We want to buy the cheapest. Okay, and take the best risk reward ratio. They push it back down with one candle for 4 days here. One candle push it back down to this level here at 61.8 exactly there. And they did it all the way up here. Okay, it's happening all the time. Here again, you see here. Okay, the price is going up. Okay, smart money, boom, down. Okay, back again up. People selling here first. You see, smart money bring it up higher. Okay, it's happening all the time. Be aware of it. Okay, be aware of it. So this is to show traders how you can draw the Fibonacci retracement level and Fibonacci projection. If you do not understand all my blah 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 here, you can perfectly go and put on Google or YouTube, okay, Fibonacci tool. I'm not in competition with my fellow traders. You can watch excellent videos regarding Fibonacci from other channel if you want to, but we have more videos, okay, on our channel about the Fibonacci, and I hope you'll find this one useful. As always, what I did on www.dayprotraders, I was using mostly, okay, the similar charting. Okay, Richard, you know about it because this video is to answer a particular question. Okay, so I mean, it's a different charting that I was using there, and this one is the Sierra chart that I'm using here, and I mean, this is it. Okay, so to summarize quickly, okay, before we close, how do we draw the 3-point Fibonacci? Okay, a projection. Some people will say Fibonacci extension. Some people will call Fibonacci projection. Is to have the estimation, the target of the price to look ahead to. So we start from here down to where the movement has stopped, bring it up to where the rally has stopped. That's it. Okay, I will remove that. So then we have all our level. If you cannot see all the levels, we will go to the higher time frame, and then they become clearer. If you cannot see all of them, you move one step further, and you will see everything clearer. Okay, this is about the Fibonacci projection and Fibonacci extension. There are more to this which you have posted at www.dayprotraders.com. All serious traders must be busy studying at www.dayprotraders.com and also at www.24elliottwave.com. I'm serious about this and I mean business. All right, I mean it. All right, I mean it. Okay, all right. Now, I will remove this one, okay, and now we want to talk about Fibonacci, okay, retracement, okay, how much profit people have taken. We'll use the 2 point, okay, this 2 point. The movement has started from here to this level. That's it. We stop there, okay, because it's not 3 point, it's 2 point. From here to here, it's 2 point. Okay, if it's 3 point, we saw from here to here, that's 3 point. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Okay, but this one is 2 point. Okay, which is here 2 point. Okay, so from here to here, finished. If you're going to measure how much profit people take from here down to this level here, we do from here to here, that's 2 point. Okay, some charting will do the opposite. They will do it here to here. Okay, I think from here to here it makes more sense to me. I don't know why some charting try to complicate this differently to look different. It doesn't make any sense. The price went up from here to here. Why don't you make it 1, 2? Some charting they will do it the opposite way. I mean, that's what I'm talking about. Okay, so this is it. So I hope you enjoyed this video also, that you put into practice in order to cream the market consistently. Thank you for watching, and speak to you very soon.